What you're hearing is me having the hiccups. Wait for it. It's coming. No, I did not kill a seal. I haven't had the hiccups for years. Even the cat's scared. She's hiding up on the TV. Poor Cotty. Can't even drink my coffee. Look, I was eating cheesies last night. That's probably what happened. I woke up hungry. Can't drink my coffee. Oh my goodness. Camera even shook. This is something my kids can cherish the rest of their lives. I know it's frightening. I'll just make you listen a little longer. I don't dare drink my coffee. It'd be all over my phone. Okay, you've suffered long enough.